front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Now tap on Emergency Information. Hit Add Contact over here and click on any contact you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete any contact, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!